Hi everybody, Miss Record here. Today we're going to learn a little bit about how art can inspire people in the community and that, just different street art. And then what I'm going to have you guys do is make some artwork if you want to post in your windows or on the sidewalk with sidewalk chalk. And it's something that can be a positive thing that can happen during this time of the coronavirus. So, street art is art created on surfaces in public places. Street art is usually created as a way to convey a message to a large group of people. Bear with me as I work on the video. Okay, so the first artist is Jason Naylor, and most of these ones that I'm going to show you are done in big cities. This is him actually right here, and they're done on, like, this looks like it's under a bridge, different walls, but they're brightly colored and positive. And the way you can think of murals is the way like we have in the cafeteria at East Hanley. This is Andrea von Wuhas. Hello, beautiful, believe, bright colors, fun and exciting. This one, Shepherd Fairy, peace, harmony, rise above. Laquina Masiver, I think that's how you say the name. Lift you higher, choose love. And you can see how big it is. These are, adults. Sometimes they can be a little controversial. This one is Stop Wars, Peace, Eduarda Cobra. So what is a positive message that you want to share? These are all, words that are very positive and colorful and different things. These are also little images, like the dove is a sign of peace. Rainbow, we see a lot of rainbows, sun. So how can you share your message with the community? So this is how you guys can do this, because we obviously can't paint a mural on the side of a building. You can't. So this is, let me stop it. This is done with chalk. I've seen a lot of people doing these, either writing words or whatever, and you can actually put tape down. And I know some kids did that in my classroom, but you can put tape down and that spells out hope. And then this is someone wrote throw kindness around like confetti. You could do it on your backyard. You can, on your fence, if your family will let you, on the ground. If you have sidewalk chalk, I know you can get it at Walmart and Target. Those places are open right now. Unfortunately, the dollar store, I'm not sure is open, but some places are open, some places are not open. So, but I know you can get chalk if you don't have chalk already. And then posters and signs. You could put a poster in your window. This is the middle one, the spread kindness, that was done, can be put in the window. You could do a poster outside your house. That one's really cute. Be a rainbow for someone else's cloud. Kind of, we must do it, like we must stay indoors for people. But I've seen a lot of stuff that's like I've seen sidewalk chalk written outside of hospitals, just positive messages all over the United States and different countries. Messages in nature. This kind of goes with what we were doing last week. You can, that's perfectly free, grabbing sticks and stuff and things you can write. You could paint, if you have paint at home, you could paint some rocks. These are some other way you can show these. The tulip, the flower on the left, that was done with cups. And I think the pink cups were painted and maybe the green cups, they made a flower. Thanking people. It's so easy to thank people. So those are just kind of some different ideas. And then, so what I'm going to have you guys do is, if you want to, you can do any one of the things that we kind of talked about, except for painting on the side of a building, because you just can't do that. You can't illegally do that, because the people that did it were being paid to do that. So they were asked to do that. So otherwise it's graffiti if you're not asked to do that. So I want you to do some kind of positive message, and then I would love to see a picture of it. The thing is, when you guys send stuff, unless you send it to us, or either send it to me on Class Dojo or Google Classroom, we can't see it. Some people are submitting stuff and I'm not seeing anything. There's no picture. So if you're able to take a picture of it, I would love to see what you guys are doing. Otherwise, if you want to do it, or just let me know that you did. But yes, if we're eventually going to go to Google Classroom, where we're all doing Google Classroom, and also on if we're gonna do Fridays, we're gonna do where we have meet with Miss Bush and Miss Brandon and I. And so if you want to show us, then you can do it. We want to see that you guys are creating art, because we know you have time. You need to do your classwork, but we also want to see you doing music and art and PE and reading and everything like that. So we miss you guys. Bye.